Good job. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Bernard King, Larry Bird, 44 points for Bernard King this game. Larry Bird had 35. NBA's greatest battles, 1984 Eastern Conference Semifinals Game 6, which the Celtics did go on to win the NBA Finals this year, defeating the Showtime Lakers. Yes, sir. So, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like and sub and go and do that. Yes, sir. Highly appreciate it. High grade like always. Let's go and get started. Bird, King.
The only shining light for the Knicks there, along with Bernard King.
Good defense.
On Wednesday, and it's now 5-0
That's easy.
Knicks, as Bird
That's too easy.
no help for Bernard
That's
there.
too easy, man.
With Bird at 6'9", easily shot
But yeah, mid-range, bam. Yes, sir. Good job, Bernard.
Maxwell open, no one picked up.
Them boys rocking the Converse, huh? Some Nikes, I think, too. Mid-range. Need that. Need that. I need that. Bernard King. I see Trent Tucker, number 6. 25, Bill Cartwright. Crossover and 1. I think 21 is Gerald Wilkins. I think that's Dominique's brother or something like that. I think. Yeah. No, that's not him. That's not him. I take that back. I don't think that was him. Push it. Warrior Sparrow. Number 2. Mid-range, easy. Man, it's a bucket. Man, it's a bucket. Just give it to him down low. Post game. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Oh, need that and 1. Need that and 1.
Great guy to have on your team.
Oh, crap. Crap. Yeah, happy Mother's Day. Hopefully you guys had a great Mother's Day yesterday. Didn't post it today because obviously it was Mother's Day, but yeah.
And a turnover by Trump.
Good pass. That's easy. That's easy. Get it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Euro. Stop playing with him, Bernard. Stop playing with him. All right. Let's get piped up. Good pass, boy. Let's go and get piped up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is a superhuman effort. Bernard King right here on the fast break. He's bumped right here by Scott Wedman. Now watch the concentration of Bernard King.
Look at that left hand, too.
Look at his eyes still on the hoop. Referee or an announcer or what Williams about. Henderson and ML Carr with Bird and Parrish.
Yeah, help. Where's the help?
Offensive interference against the Knicks. That looked like it was rolling off as Marvin Webster. Let's see. Bird puts the shot up. It bounces around.
Wait, 13 is not Mark Jackson. I should take that back too. Wow, I thought, yeah. I don't think Mark Jackson. I don't know. I thought that was Mark Jackson. That's Williams. Push it. Give back to him. Give back to him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, this was because I think Pat came the following year. Pat came the following year. Yeah, Bernard, eat.
48 to play in the half, and the Knicks lead the Celtics by 10.
Oh no, where's the help? Where's the help?
And Bird was fouled over the back by excuse me, go ahead, Jim. With 6 men.
Crap.
Sparrow with Buckner. Bernard King.
Look at that spin move. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Was it in the cylinder? I don't know. With that angle, you can never tell.
That mid-range is deadly. That mid-range is deadly, Bernard King. Stop playing with him. Give it to him again. Free throw line. Bucket. 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 No threes. No threes. Get your flopping ass up. Spin move. Give me the foul.
When you start to get that recognition, you get the Bernard King. It'll be an upset.
Oh, this free throw is so slow. Good double team. About time. Make somebody else beat you.
Should be 3 seconds on Parrish.
Oh my god.
Shot going to the right and scoring. Bird fake right around.
Oh my god, Larry, chill out, please. Chill out, Larry.
Oh, good play by King.
Oh, good hands.
And a very good pass. Barry Williams and Buckner's on him. Bernard King going with Maxwell.
And one.
Missed it. He's
Oh.
put it back to 72.
33.
The 60 pretty high to get over Marvinson. 3:10 to play.
Come on. Block that.
Sparrow leaves and Darrell Walker comes in.
Darrell Walker. Look how quick that shot was.
That's been a big thing for the Celtics, who did not shoot well in games 3 and 4 here from the outside with their guards. Bernard King. Bird. And Larry
Come on. Good hands. Ray Williams. Push it. Push it. Ooh, hard foul. Hard foul. We good. We good. We good. We good. We good.
That's not that easy. Sometimes it's hard to blend that ability.
We good.
Defense on Bird.
Oh yeah, I mean Larry. Give it to him. That's a bucket.
10 in a row. No, he made one in between. In the game. That's good defense by Cartwright.
Oh, he airballed. Get it.
Here come the Knicks.
Oh, push it, dunk it. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. Let's go. We're getting teed up.
It's by 11. 4:11 to play in the game.
Good pass. I mean, it was triple team and still made that.
That was unbelievable.
And McHale gets loose underneath. And the Knicks lead is 11. And we have 3:53 to play. And now we have some words between McHale and Bernard King. McHale and King having words. I didn't see how that started.
McHale, you better watch out. McHale, you better watch out. Yeah, Hubie Brown.
Well, Hubie Brown is talking to
yes, Hubie Brown.
He wants an explanation from him.
Don't try my boy.
Now seem to have gotten things under control. Bernard is talking to Kevin McHale again. I want to tell you one thing. Now, they just shook hands.
All right.
They just shook hands, but I can tell you one thing. There has been a lot said in the papers coming from Kevin McHale and Cedric Maxwell, and Bernard King now has burned them for 40 points, 42 points to be exact, and that has to hurt a little, you know?
Ferris easily got the tip.
My man, please pass the ball to Bernard. Get off me, McHale. Get off me, McHale. Get off me. Oh, good steal. Oh.
Bird is steal.
Ooh.
Bird is double teamed.
Oh, I can't. Oh, now.
Earl Strom just threw Sparrow out of the game.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Go. Bird is steal. Bird is
That's an ejection?
Oh, I can't. Oh.
That's lame. That's lame. That's lame. That's lame.
He looks over his shoulder right there.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Okay, never mind. Never mind, never mind, never mind. Never mind. Man, get this sorry ass man the hell out of here anyway.
There's been a lot of words and banging.
Behind the back pass.
Ooh, okay, Bird. Behind the back.
Continues to get the good position. Now that's great basketball. Goes right straight back up. Contacts made.
And Robinson will play the ball.
God, they came back. Who's 21?
6 seconds.
Jump. Double team. Double team. Yes. Game 7, baby. Too bad they lost though. Crap. Man, get out the camera. What a game. What a game. What a game. What a game, man. Oh. Woo. Bernard King, Larry Bird, man. Don't try my boy Bernard. Don't try my boy Bernard. You guys don't forget to like and sub. Comment down below. Got thoughts and reactions to this game. See you guys later.